Hello guys. Today we have a Proline tiny laptop that is turning on. Wait, is it a Proline or a Mesa laptop? I'm not sure, but let me tell you the story about this laptop. It's turning on, it's booting up. We do have a caps lock, but there's nothing on the screen. What do I mean by that? We have the data, but the machine is missing the backlight. So as you can see, I pressed the power button, but there is nothing on the screen. There is no information on the screen. In fact, we do have the information on the screen, but we are missing the data. What do I mean by that? It means the backlight. Let me tell you an example. For instance, your phone has a backlight. All right, so you can control how bright, how dim, right? Same with the laptop screen. The problem here is the backlight. It's missing what? The backlight. There is no light coming out from the screen. Okay, anyway, this can be caused by the motherboard. It can be caused by the cable. There's a cable called an LVDS cable, the one going from the screen straight into a motherboard, and again this can be caused by the screen itself. Okay, so in this case we had to confirm. So what you do, you take another working screen. Even if it's broken, it doesn't matter, because you will have a backlight on the broken screen. Then you'll be able to tell whether the screen is broken or not. So I used another screen, a broken screen. As you can see there on the right hand side, we have what? We have a backlight, we have a light. It's white, but it's broken, meaning this issue is not coming from the board, from the motherboard. It's not coming from the cable, but it's coming from the screen. The screen is the one causing this problem, guys. Alright guys, so in this case we have to repair a screen. There's no need to buy another screen, but we can repair the one that we have. So what you do, there is a tiny motherboard. I'll show it to you now. Okay, so in this motherboard, this tiny board here, it does so many things. It controls the backlight, the data from the board into your screen, and the backlight as well. So I had to do a physical inspection. So while I was doing a physical inspection, I noticed that the joints from the backlight are no longer touching. As you can see, they are moving up and down. So it means our problem has got nothing to do with some other things, but with the backlight cables. Those two cables is positive and negative. They are loose, they are not touching anymore, they're not touching the board anymore. So I had to resolder them again, guys. Anyway, after connecting those two, power, negative and positive, so I had to test the screen, obvious. And there we go. What do we know? We have what? We have the backlights, and you can see the Proline. Proline was there all along, but we couldn't see it because there was no backlight. I'm not sure if you understand, but anyway, don't worry guys, I have more and more videos that you can watch. Anyway, stay tuned. Don't forget to buy more of my course. Anyway, bye bye, I'll see you.